for you?
I think I'm capturing this.
D7, very easy to fly, very responsive, very forgiving.
Yeah, go to the blue again. Go into the blue. Yeah, I thought going to the clouds you'd be able to see it better, but with the smoke you gotta go be in the blue.
About that wedding ceremony, and I'm not quite sure how the Baron got Trudy Truelove into his clutches, but they have disappeared. And I know now.
I wonder what Trudy Truelove's doing with the Red Baron now.
Poor Madam B here, wondering where she went. We'll try it.
Oh, here's more smoke. Let's see how far they gotta go with this.
Beautiful sound of the engine in it.
Well, you don't have to do that, Lewis, because you're always going to put it on. Here it comes again. Oh, that's so cool.
Very unique paint scheme on the D7. The German pilots were allowed to decorate their airplanes any way they wanted. This was flown by Lieutenant Schutze for the German Air Force, and he decorated his Fokker D7 with a scene from the Grimm Brothers fairy tale, The Seven Schwabians. Now, if you've ever read any of the Grimm Brothers fairy tales, they're a little bit out there, and I won't get into the whole Seven Schwabians one, but if you get a chance, look it up. The Seven Schwabians, Grimm Brothers fairy tale, very interesting tale, and this is a very authentic paint scheme that was used in World War I. Also, the upper and lower wing have a camouflage pattern on it called the lozenge pattern. You notice how the airplane approaches sideways. That is intentional. The side slip maneuver gives the pilot better visibility down the runway. Once he feels comfortable and set up, he'll straighten it out. Just like the World War I original, there's no brakes on this airplane, just relying on the tail skid to dig into the turf. And that big old wood prop comes down into idle. And the Fokker D7 returns. Right in front of the pilot, where they fired right through the propeller. This is quite the advancement and technology back in that time period. The machine gun was actually timed with the engine to a cam device. So no matter how fast or slow the engine was turning, the machine gun